Hi my beauties! So I have another tutorial right now. It's actually just a warm toned autumn look. It's using my current favorite products right at the moment. So yeah, it's just a purely based warm tone. As you can see, my eye color is popping. It's popping because of the warm tones. And yeah, I just love this lip color. It's the Praline by e.l.f. The matte lip color. It's just my current favorite. It's just so gorgeous. But yeah, it's stunning and I love it. So if you want to see how I do this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get to it. Off with the glasses. There we go. I'm taking my Master Prime by Maybelline. Now, it's not the best primer I've tried so far, so yeah, if you have any recommendations on other primers I should try, that is, yeah, budget friendly, then I'll be willing to try it. Because yeah, obviously this is not the best one. There you go, primer. Now it's time for concealer. I'm trying to scoop the last out of my NYX Full Coverage Concealer in Alabaster. Using my Deluxe crease brush for it. I have a lot of concealer. There, above the brow, a little highlight, and round it out. I'm not using the green concealer because obviously this on camera it looks very red, but it's actually very pale in real life, so I'm just gonna do that. On the mouth. And here. And now it's empty. Now it's empty, so that will go in the empties. And back and all that for my empties. And then I'm just gonna blend it out with my beauty sponge. And yes, this looks filthy. I need to clean it. Possibly I will do that once I've filmed this video, because it sure needs a good spring cleaning here in the fall. Next time for foundation, I'm taking the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in Porcelain. Yep, Porcelain. Light Ivory is, in the back because it's now turn has become more and I'm getting more pale. So yeah, all of this. I'm gonna take 16 drops. I'm gonna take my beauty sponge and then I'm just gonna blend this out. That's that done. Now I'm just gonna do my brows off camera and then I will be right back. And there, brows done. I just used my NYX the Control Freak eyebrow gel in clear, because as you can see I don't need to draw in my brows or anything because I tint them. So if you want to see how I tint my brows, then let me know and I will show you how I do it. Now I'm just going to set my base right now with my NYX HD finishing powder in translucent and with my Real Techniques powder brush. There, based on, now I'm just going to do the right side of my face and then I will be back. As usual, we're gonna prime. I'm not gonna bother mention this primer because you already know which one it is. There we go. For this tutorial, I'll be using my NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palette in, warm neutrals. I really love this. It's so good. So I'm taking my crease brush by BH and I'm taking this taupe color in my transition. I'm just going to apply it to my crease, feathering a bit out to make my eye look a bit elongated. Just add it a little bit and then I'm applying it to my lower lash line. Then I'm taking my shading brush by e.l.f. Techniques. I'm taking this shimmery, coppery brick color, what we can call it. It is so beautiful. Actually, it's more of a satin, I would say that. Not shimmer, but satin. I'm just going to apply it to my lip, like this. And pull it up to the crease. Now what you see here is actually what I've done for everyday basis with just a wash of this color I'm applying, and that's that. I'm taking my blending brush by BH and now I'm just going to blend the two. And for the sake of this tutorial, because this just looks a little bit bland, I'm taking my crease brush again. I'm taking this, deep red, just a little bit, and applying it to my crease on top of our transition color. And it suddenly looks a bit more ding, better. I'm not going to apply it to my bottom lash line. It's fine as this in my crease. And then I'm taking my blending brush again. And then for highlight, I'm taking my angle shadow brush by BH and I'm taking this matte bone color. Just like a matte highlight at the moment. My brow bone and my inner corner. Then for eyeliner, I'm taking my matte liquid liner by NYX and applying to my top lash line. I'm not winging it out because it actually looks quite nice without the winged liner, so it's the red colors that are more in focus. And for my inner ends, I'm taking the Maybelline Lasting Drama 24-hour gel eyeliner in volcanic bronze. And then I'm going to curl my lashes and apply the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara in waterproof. So I'll be right back. There, eyes done. Now I'm going to contour the rest of the face. I'm taking the contour brush by e.l.f. Techniques and NYX Blush and Taupe. Just contour the usual places. And then for the cheeks, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush palette in Hot Spice. I'm taking my current favorite blush and on my e.l.f. Techniques blush brush. And for highlight, I'm taking my OG Mary Luminizer by the Balm and my setting brush by e.l.f. Techniques. And then nose. Here as well. And then for lips, I'm taking the same lip color as I did in my last tutorial. The e.l.f. matte lip color in Praline is my current favorite. So I'm just gonna apply this. And now we've finished a purely warm tone, autumn look. So on with the glasses, there we go. That's the good thing about wearing glasses, everything gets toned down. I've just been really into these colors. It's just, great. And with this lip color, it's just perfect. I love this look so much. I love it, I love it. And with that extra added, dark brick shadow, then it's just perfect. But I don't have a lot of time in the morning, so it's just wash of colors and that's that. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, so remember to subscribe, comment, and like this video if you like it. It really helps me out. Then you can follow me on all my social medias. And then you can also check out my blog. And then I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye!